Best fishing reel. Are you looking for the best fishing reel? In this video we will look at some of the best fishing reel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Okuma Ceymar A. The Okuma Ceymar A spinning reel stands out as a top choice for anglers seeking a dependable, high-performance reel without breaking the bank. Designed for versatility, it handles a wide range of fishing situations, from streams and lakes to rivers and boats, making it an excellent all-around option. Its 7+1 ball bearing system ensures incredibly smooth operation, reducing friction and wobble for precise, effortless casting. When a fish takes the line, the multi-disc, oiled felt drag system engages smoothly, allowing fish to run freely without snapping your line or weakening knots. As tester Chris Maxer noted, at first glance, the Ceymar A looks sleek and modern, but once you fish with it, its smooth, precise performance proves it's more than just a stylish design. It feels solid, reliable, and responsive. One of the most significant updates in the Ceymar A series is the upgraded TPE handle knobs, replacing the older foam versions that tended to wear over time. This improvement adds durability and comfort for longer fishing sessions. While the reel runs slightly smaller than other reels of similar size, it maintains a balanced feel on a rod, thanks to its compact yet sturdy construction. Weighing 8.3 ounces with a gear ratio of 5.0 to 1, the Ceymar A offers a strong mix of performance and affordability. Competing reels like the Penn Pursuit 4 and Pflueger President are slightly larger or excel in line management, but the Ceymar A remains an excellent value. For anglers looking for a versatile, smooth, and reliable spinning reel at a reasonable price, the Okuma Ceymar A is a hard choice to beat. Number 2. Okuma Aria A. The Okuma Aria A stands out as one of the smoothest drag spinning reels in its price range, earning our top recommendation for most anglers looking for performance without breaking the bank. Its lightweight graphite frame keeps the reel easy to handle, though it does have a slightly plasticky feel in places. Despite that, the real star is its silky smooth drag. As tester Chris noted, I was surprised by its low startup inertia and how well it let out line when I hooked a large trout that suddenly tried to run. The drag performed flawlessly. Weighing 7.7 ounces with a gear ratio of 5.0 to 1, the Aria A is versatile enough for streams, lakes, rivers, and boat fishing. Its spinning design makes casting simple, and the reel's smooth mechanics make landing fish a much more enjoyable experience. At this price point, line control isn't perfect compared to reels 3 times the cost. The spool's fast oscillation can cause line to spread loosely, creating spots where it may catch or stick, particularly with cheap monofilament. This is a common trait in budget reels, but it can be minimized by using a supple monofilament or braided line. Competitors like the Daiwa Strikeforce handle braided line exceptionally well and can haul in larger fish, though their drag isn't as smooth. Overall, the Okuma Aria A proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a reliable reel with excellent drag. For anglers seeking a lightweight, smooth, and dependable spinning reel that performs well across a variety of fishing environments, the Aria A is an outstanding value and a top choice in its class. Number 3. Garcia Revo SX. For anglers who see fishing as more than a hobby, the Garcia Revo SX is a reel that truly elevates the experience. It's by far the most well-built reel we tested, combining robust construction with precision engineering for a performance that impresses from the first cast. The Revo SX casts effortlessly, maintains excellent line control, and includes a range of features designed for serious anglers. Its angled spool lip improves casting distance, while the slow spool oscillation ensures near-perfect line lay, reducing tangles and frustration. The reel's drag is remarkably smooth at any setting, allowing confident handling of everything from panfish to trophy catches. As tester Chris noted, from the first flip of the crisp bail, I love this reel. The slow, long travel spool movement is mesmerizing, and the handle feels like it's part of a precision instrument. I had to force myself to stop using it during testing, it's that good. Weighing 7.6 ounces with a gear ratio of 6.2 to 1, the Revo SX is versatile enough for streams, lakes, rivers, and boats. Its spinning design makes it suitable for a wide variety of fishing styles, and the reel's solid construction ensures it can withstand years of dedicated use. The primary drawback is the higher price point, which may be a barrier for casual anglers. Competing reels like the Pflueger President offer smooth drag and excellent line management at a lower cost but lack the Revo SX's raw stopping power and premium feel. For those who demand top-tier performance, durability, and modern design, the Garcia Revo SX is an investment that pays off on every cast. Number 4. Daiwa BG2500. For anglers targeting saltwater species, having a reel engineered to handle harsh marine conditions is essential, and the Daiwa BG2500 delivers. With a sturdy aluminum housing and a waterproof drag system, this reel proved exceptionally durable and reliable during weeks of testing on piers, jetties, and boats. The drag system provides plenty of stopping power, allowing anglers to confidently battle larger fish without worrying about line breakage. One reviewer praised the drag dial, saying, "The drag dial was one of my favorites, providing well-spaced clicks that offered clear feedback during every fight." The BG2500 also impresses with its well-designed handle, featuring a wide grip for comfort and precise control, even during long sessions. Its anti-reverse system is responsive and instant, locking the reel immediately when engaged. Casting performance is another highlight. Long, accurate casts make it easy to place lures in tight spots, giving anglers an edge when targeting wary fish. Weighing 11.7 ounces and with a gear ratio of 5.6 to 1, the BG2500 is ideal for ocean, pier, jetty, and boat fishing. Its spinning design makes it versatile while remaining easy to handle under challenging conditions. The only minor drawback is the thin wire bail, which feels less robust compared to the reel's otherwise high-quality construction. While the Daiwa BG2500 excels in durability and performance, budget-conscious anglers may consider the Pen Pursuit 4, which offers a corrosion-resistant graphite body and sealed stainless steel bearings at roughly half the cost. Nevertheless, for serious saltwater anglers seeking a strong, reliable reel, the Daiwa BG2500 remains a top-tier choice. Number 5. Daiwa Tatula MQ LT. The Daiwa Tatula MQ LT is an exceptional spinning reel that delivers impressive performance at a very reasonable price. Tested in the 2500 size, this reel features a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, weighs just 6.7 ounces, and utilizes an 8+1 ball bearing system for silky smooth operation. With a price tag of $200, it offers performance that rivals reels costing twice as much, such as the Xenon MGX, making it a standout value for serious anglers. One of the reel's most striking qualities is its crisp, precision-tuned construction. From the one-piece body to the machined aluminum handle and air-drive rotor and bail, every component feels solid yet lightweight. Casting and retrieving are effortless, and the fill line for spooling ensures consistent line lay every time. The bail mechanism, in particular, is a joy to use. It flips smoothly and instantly with minimal effort, outperforming every other reel in its test group. The Tatula MQ LT is available in 5 sizes: 1000, 2000, 2500, 3000, and 4000, making it versatile enough to handle any bass fishing scenario. While slightly heavier than our best overall reel, its smooth drag, strong construction, and effortless operation make it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced anglers alike. With no notable downsides, the Daiwa Tatula MQ LT combines durability, performance, and ease of use in one sleek, affordable package. Whether you're targeting bass in freshwater lakes or rivers, this reel delivers smooth, precise casting and strong, dependable drag for a superior fishing experience.